Today, our focus is on a subject that touches the lives of many: vacations. Specifically, we're delving deep into the reasons as to why some people might not take vacations as frequently as they ought to. This reluctance often stems from aspects of work culture, such as overburdening schedules or the fear of falling behind, as well as financial constraints that make the idea of a vacation seem more like a luxury than a necessity. Furthermore, we'll be exploring the crucial role regular breaks play in refreshing our minds and rejuvenating our bodies, thereby enhancing our overall productivity and well-being. Now let's plunge right in and unravel this intriguing topic. Reason number 1. Work responsibilities. It's an open secret that a significant number of us feel chained by our jobs. The constant worry of falling behind on reports, the pressure of meeting project deadlines, or the dread of leaving a crucial client meeting can make disengaging, even for a much-needed vacation, seem like an impossible task. Think about it. Does the thought of missing out on the weekly team meetings or the fear of an overflowing inbox on return make you defer your holiday plans? If so, then you're not alone. It's a common phenomenon that work responsibilities often hinder vacation planning. Do you see yourself in this description so far? Moving on, let's delve into financial constraints. It's undeniable that vacations can severely strain our wallets. There are a multitude of costs to consider: flights, accommodation, dining out, and activities among others. The expense-related traveling, especially airfares, can be high, often varying based on the season or the destination location. Accommodation is another critical factor, with options ranging from budget hostels to luxury hotels, each with its own price tag. Activities too, depending on chosen destination, can be budget-friendly or extravagantly priced. Moreover, factors such as dining out or even just grabbing a coffee can add to the overall expense. The financial burden often forces individuals to prioritize saving money or paying off debts over indulging in a vacation. So, how does this influence your vacation planning? Progressing to the third factor, scarcity of time off. Sometimes it comes down to rigid workplace policies or the relentless demands of the industry, leading to an inadequate number of vacation. And even when they do have those coveted days off, the act of pinpointing the perfect time to take a break becomes a complex puzzle. The challenge here isn't just about finding time, but also about synchronizing your time off with your loved ones. You might have the days, but if your family or friends aren't free at the same time, it defeats the purpose. Furthermore, there's the struggle of avoiding peak holiday seasons when everything is crowded. And there's also the stress of ensuring that your absence won't create chaos back at work, which means careful planning and having a backup plan for your responsibilities. And let's not forget, once you do manage to squeeze in that break, there's the daunting task of catching up on the work piled up during your absence. Does this resonate with your experience? Now, let's delve into the topic of family obligations. Managing family responsibilities can often throw a wrench into vacation plans. For instance, you may have to look after your young children, assist with their schoolwork, or even handle their sudden illnesses. You may also have elderly relatives who require your assistance with daily tasks, such as shopping or medical care. Or perhaps you have family members with special needs who require extra attention and caregiving. Not to mention, there might be family events like birthdays or anniversaries that you simply can't miss. All these factors can make it challenging to plan and relish a vacation. Oftentimes, these obligations take precedence over leisure travel. Is this striking a chord? Bringing up the rear, we delve into the realm of stress or burnout. Intriguingly, the essential necessity for a vacation can sometimes be clouded by overwhelming stress or burnout. This is more than just a simple irony. In fact, the effects of stress and burnout are insidious. They don't merely overshadow the need for a vacation, they warp our perception of it. Stress and burnout can heighten feelings of guilt for some individuals, causing them to second-guess their decision to prioritize their well-being over work or other commitments. They may start to view a vacation as a luxury rather than a necessity, a self-indulgence rather than a self-care measure. This can trap them in a harmful cycle where their stress and burnout continue to intensify, further their need for a vacation, but also their reluctance to take one. So, you may ask, are you caught in this vicious cycle? Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Let's not forget, each one of us requires periods of rest and relaxation to rejuvenate our bodies and minds. It's a crucial aspect of maintaining our overall wellness. To delve deeper into other essential health topics, tune into the Thailand VIP channel, where we will be discussing the top 5 health concerns in our upcoming video. We strongly encourage you to interact with us by leaving your thoughts in the comments below. Tap the like button if this video resonated with you. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up with our enlightening content. We look forward to your active participation. Until then, prioritize your rest, and happy travels, friends.